Have you ever opened your PowerPoint on another computer and suddenly the fonts change, videos don't play, and everything looks broken? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I show you how to use export as package presentation for CD in PowerPoint, a simple but powerful feature that lets you bundle your presentation with all its fonts, videos, and linked files. By the end of this video, you will know how to make your slides open and present correctly on any computer. Let's get started. I will show you how to do this. In many cases, if you save your file or save it as a slideshow, when you open it in another computer, you will see that something has been moved or fonts are not readable anymore. Some images are not visible or some videos have been missed. So it's the safest option to use the export from file menu, export and package presentation for CD. You can see here that it's written, this option will create a package so that other people can watch the presentation on most computers. This package includes linked or embedded items such as videos, sounds, and fonts. So in this way, you will not be worried about the fonts or missing the videos and audios in your file. Any other file added to the package. By clicking on the package for CD, you can see the menu, and this file is the file I'm using now. You can add more PowerPoints if you have more slide shows and you want to make them as a package. But now I only have this one, so you can write a name for your package, and with clicking an option, you can see that there are some options here. You can select that files be linked to your package or not, and the fonts will be embedded to your package or not. You can also set a password on your presentation for opening or modifying your presentation. It's up to you. If you want to share your presentation with others, you can even set a password here. If there is any appropriate or private information, the package preparing system will notify, and we will understand that there is something that can be private or inappropriate in this way. By clicking OK and setting the destination, that can be a folder or directly a CD, you can select a location for saving your file, your package, or copy to CD. I will prefer to make it on desktop like this. And I will write package for my folder name. It says you have selected to link all the files and copy all the files as font or other things. And if you're agree, you can say yes. I will say yes. And it depends on the size of your file. And after finishing the job, the folder will be opened automatically. You can see the file and some other embedded files like the fonts and some pictures, images, or icons are available here. And if you have some videos on your file or anything, or like sounds or anything, it will be included in this folder. So this file is going to be opened in any kind of computer, even an old computer, and you will be sure that you are presenting your file in a correct way. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this trick is useful for you. If you liked it, please press like, and if you have any question, you can write your questions in comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to support us. See you.